Beautiful home on 2-acre lot in Buckingham East. Gorgeous kitchen with plenty of extras including newer appliances and granite countertops. Nice master with tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, huge bathroom with granite and large walk-in shower. Very open floor plan, lots of windows, wood floors throughout. Nice screen porch on the back with fireplace, fountain and built-in mini kitchen. New fencing on part of the backyard for pets. Conveniently located, just minutes from the mall, Santa Fe College and UF.